Good morning, students. Today I'll discuss with you from previous classes football rules of footballs. Okay. So previous classes I have already discussed with you how many rules are there. 17 rules are there. And already discussed with you law number first. Law number one. What? The play field. So today I will discuss with you law number 2, the ball. Look students, what qualities and measurement, all ball must be spherical, made of suitable material, of a circumference of between 68 centimeter, 27 inches, and 70 centimeter or 28 inches. Minimum 27 inches and maximum 28 inches. Okay, and between 410 gram 14 ounce to 450 grams 16 ounce in weight at the start of the match, of pressure equals to 0.6 pressure 0.6, okay, 0.6 to 1.1 IVS. What? 1.1 IVS, atmosphere. Okay. Now this call what 600 to 100 gram per centimeter square. What 600 to 1100 gram per centimeter square air pressure will be there. Okay, so look, all India, all based in all India base, the all ball used in matches played in an official competition organized under the auspices of FIFA or confederations must bear on one of the FIFA Quality Pro what? FIFA Quality Pro and FIFA Quality also and IMS International Match Standard. What IMS means? International Match Standard. Okay, so these are all about law number 2, ball. Okay, so look, actually replacement of a defective ball, if the ball becomes defective, play is stopped and restarted by the dropping, and replacement ball where the original ball become defective. Okay, defective. So what if the ball becomes defective? That time ball is play is stopped and restarted by dropping the replacement ball where the original ball become defective. So if the ball becomes defective at a kick-off, goal kick, corner kick, free kick, penalty, etc. Also throw in play, the restart is retaken. What if the ball becomes forward, defective during the penalty kick? That time kicks from the penalty mark as it moves forward and before touches the player's crossbar and goalpost. What goalpost at penalty kick, it's retaken also will be there. So these are all about what the ball. Now look, law number 3. What law number 3? The number of players. The number of players. Law number 1, what is there? The play of field. Now law number 2, what? The ball. And law number 3, the players. What? The players. Look students, what is the law number 3? The number of player, a match is played by two teams. We already know this matter, and each with a maximum of 11 players. One must be the goalkeeper. A match may not start or continue. Either team has fewer than 7 players. So 11 players will be there in maximum, but match will be not played or not continue if either team has fewer than 7 players. Understood? So look, official competitions, the number of substitutes of to a maximum of 5, but which may be used in any match played in an official competition will be determined by FIFA. But in a match, how many players will be substituted? Only 3 players will be there. Understood? So look, this is all about the players. How many players required in a match? 11 players each team. 11 players each team. Okay. Now look students, law number 4, what is there? Law number 4 means the players equipment. Okay. Law number 4 means players equipment. Players equipment. Look student, law number 4, safety. A player must not use equipment or wear anything that is dangerous for any others. And all items of jewelry, necklace, rings, bracelet, earring, leather bands, rubber bands, etc. are forbidden and must be removed from start the play. And using tape to cover jewelry is not permitted. Compulsory equipment will be there. What are the compulsory equipment of a player? The compulsory equipment of a players comprise the following separate items. A shirt with sleeves. What? A shirt with sleeves. Next, what? Look, shirts without, with sleeves, shirt with sleeves, and shorts, socks, tape or any material applied or worn externally must be the same color as that part of the sock it is applied to or covers. Singers also will be there, footwear also will be there, and goalkeepers may wear track suits bottoms. Okay, and a player whose footwear or singlet is not accidentally must replace it as soon as possible, and no later than when the ball goes out of the play, and if before doing the players play the ball and or cross a goal, the goal is awarded also will be there. So these are all regarding what the equipment of the players. So how many rules I have already discussed with you? The player, the field of the play, law number 1, law number 2 the ball, law number 3 the players, law number 4 the players equipment. Now I will discuss with you law number 5. What? Law number 5 the referee. The referee. So look students, referee, the authority of the referee. Each match is controlled by a referee who has full authority to enforce the laws of the games in connection with the match. And look, decision of the referee. What will be the decision by referee? Look, decisions will be made to the best of the referee ability according to the laws of the games and spirit of the games and will be based on the opinion of the referee, who has the discretions to take appropriate action within the framework of the law of the game. I mean law of the fight. Okay, and the referee what if enforces the law of the games. I mean controls the match and cooperation with the other match officials, act of the timekeeper, keeps the record of the match and provides the appropriate authorities with the match report. I mean including information and disciplinary action and any other incidents that occurred before, during or after a match, supervise and or indicates the restart of the play. So advantage of the replay, what allows play to continue when an offense occurs and the non-offending team will benefits from the advantage and penalties the offense if the anticipated advantage does the cause that at the time and within a few seconds. So referees equipments also will be there, what we say notebook, swords, shocks, and shards, etc. So these are all about the referee. So now look, tomorrow, I mean next class, I discuss with you rest of all laws with you. Okay. So thank you for today.